Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely great 2013 on a 63 registration Range Rover Evoque. Now this is the 2 litre and this is the SD4, so it's 4-wheel drive. It's got the automatic gearbox and it's the Prestige model. So this was the top of the range when the vehicle was introduced to the market. And I must admit, this car has got to be one of the highest specification Evoques I've ever had the privilege of selling. And we'll show you some of the options inside that vehicle because the car itself has got more than £6,000 worth of factory options. So the car's finished in, I think it's a wonderful colour, which is the silver metallic, and the paintwork on it all the way around the car is in absolutely fantastic condition. Now I know the sun is really bright here today, but when you look around the vehicle, the front of the car is in very nice condition and in this light looks great. Now it's sitting on the multi-spoke black alloy wheels. Now we've had them brand new, freshly powder coated black, so the car looks absolutely, well, it just looks mega. Coming round the Prestige, on the outside of the vehicle we get the black front grille. Now you can see there we've got the slightly different front grille because this has got variable cruise control. We also have the contrast Santorini Black roof with the panoramic fixed roof in there, so that is a great option. So the black wheels, the black roof, and then the black detailing, so the piano black detail around the windows, and then we've got the privacy glass in the rear as well, which is again a nice factory option. On the Prestige we get the lower parts of the vehicle in the black plastic with the silver side trim that runs through and just complements the side of that vehicle. Put a cherished number plate on it and absolutely nobody would know the age of this car. Now this being a Prestige has got the colour coded and chrome door handles, and which are very nicely easy to open, soft touch. Now coming round to the rear we've got the twin tailpipes there, the badges are in silver, we've got the reversing camera on this one, and if I were to just pop the boot, we've got the electric tailgate as well, which is an option. Now we've got a full set of tailored mats there which our valeters have washed, and then underneath the spare wheel we have a wheel, not an inflation kit, which is again a nice factory option. So as you look round it, when you start to look at Evoques in this market, you'll see that this car is a very high spec vehicle. Now this one has the parallel parking system, so you'll see around the vehicle we've got various sensors, because you can press the button inside and the vehicle will then parallel park itself if you so wish to I suppose risk that one, but anyway, it's there as an option. Now internally the vehicle has then the full leather interior, which is the ivory leather. Now inside, this is where the car has gone to town on. So this Prestige model has electric memory driver's seat. We do have the Meridian 16 speaker surround sound system, which is, the sound is mega. And now this car then, if we look, there's your panoramic fixed glass roof on this sunny day, but this very light ivory leather interior. We've got the heated and also air conditioned cooling seats, so this is what we call climate seats, so you can have cold air blowing through them in the summer and then they heat up to keep your bum warm in the winter. Steering wheel is also heated, which is again another factory option. You can operate the tailgate in there, and then we've got the 4 electric windows and also the powerful door mirrors. It has blind spot monitoring as well, so there's a little yellow light that flickers in the exterior mirror to tell you there's a car at the side of you. The current mileage is 65,659, which is nice, isn't it, on the 7-8-year-old now. Now, the technological system on this, there you go, there's a bit of sound. Now that, you might find, well, that's Top Gear music there, Graham. You're quite right, it is, because this car has digital television as well. So all you got to do is press the screen. There we go, look at that. We can watch free to view air. Now, when you look at this screen here, you'll see that there's dual view screens. So that means that as I'm driving along, if I put it in drive, that particular picture will disappear, and obviously the passenger can watch the telly, whereas the driver can't. It also has the parallel park, which is that one there. Press that button, and as you can see on my screen there, it says you can look for a parking space. Heated steering wheel is around the back there. You can see that, can't you? Nice option, that. We've got a multifunction steering wheel, so Bluetooth, cruise control, lovely soft stitch leather steering, automatic headlamps and wipers, heated front windscreen. Now if I press the seat button there, you can then see we've got heated, which is there, and then if I go down, it'll then go to blue, and that's the seat zone, and you can change the seat zones as well, so you can have it backrest. So that generally on an Evoque you'd only get heated seats. I must admit, this is the first Evoque I've had with climate seats. You generally get that in a top of the range Range Rover Vogue. The centre console has a CD player. We've got auxiliary and Bluetooth option, as well as automatic handbrake, stop start, programs down below here as well, so off-road programs, and then we get the silky smooth ZF gearbox. But a lovely car. There we go. So we're watching the telly now. Not only have we got a telly up front, but you'll listen this, we have, and this is probably one of only 2 Evoques I've ever sold with rear entertainment system. So in the headrests of this vehicle we have 2 screens, which I'm going to show you now. So if you do have any younger children, these are a fantastic way of keeping them quiet while you're driving along. And they have heated rear seats as well. We can connect our devices down below there, as you can see, and then play everything through the screens. Now, I know the 2 sets of headrests, they're no wires, and they're in the glove box, so it comes with the headrests as well. Sorry, the headsets, not headrests. But what a fantastic specification vehicle. Reversing cameras, parking sensors, digital television, cruise control, heated front and back seats. Of its day, this car was just short of £50,000, which when you're talking about Range Rover Evoques, that was a very high price to pay. Now the reason for that is it was, first owner was Land Rover themselves, so this was probably some kind of demonstration vehicle with so many factory options. It's brilliant. But what that means today is you get a mega spec car with really nice miles in fantastic order, where you can have the pleasure of owning with all that tech. So if you'd like any more information, give me a call here in Wigan. There's myself, Graham, there's Lee and Dominic on sales. We can take a £250 reservation on this vehicle, and to which then we'll prepare it for you so that you only have to come to Wigan once and view the vehicle. Once you're happy with it, you've had a test drive, you can then pay for it via your banking app on your phone into our bank. We'll register the car with the DVLA and off you drive. Or if you need finance, we can get finance for you. If you've got a part exchange, give me a call here and we'll give you the price over the phone for that. We've got 2 keys for this car, we've got the book pack for this car, it'll be fully serviced and MOT before it leaves us. And what more could you want? And also it's warranted. So yeah, that is fantastic. Have a look on our website, the finance calculator is under the pictures of the car. Have a look on our Facebook page, have a look on our reviews, you'll see we're a 5-star dealer. We're a family business operating out of the most prestigious showroom independently in the Northwest. We have over 100 quality, low mileage, high specification cars if I say in the country, we won't be beaten. So give us a call here in Wigan. But can I take the opportunity for thanking you for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.